In this next video, we're going to be looking at data validation. And what data validation does is it makes sure that you're putting in the right information into an Excel worksheet or an Excel table. So it's kind of validating or making sure that the right information is being put into the sheet. The file that we're working on is T2-2 data validation. We're going to begin by auto-fitting all the columns. Okay, I'm going to show you a way of auto-fitting everything. I'm going to click on the global button right up here, above 1 to the left of A. Everything is now highlighted. This allows me one-stop shopping for auto-fitting. So I have the entire sheet selected. I can now come in between any of the columns. I have my cross, and if I quickly double left click, everything is now visible. Click inside the sheet so that not everything is now selected. I'm going to begin by merge and centering A1 all the way over to E, merge and center A2, highlighting all the way over to E, merge and center. Profit, we're going to do a very simple formula. Equal sign. I'm going to left click on B5, that's my first revenue, minus my cost, which are C5. I'm using my mouse at all times. B5 less C5. Check mark. If I want to double check it, quickly double left click, and what it's showing me, like my formula, B5 less C5. Hit my escape. I can now go to my fill handle for that first formula. I'm going to copy that pattern all the way down. In all cases, everything is 50. I'm going to go into this cell right here. In cell B20. And what I want to do is total my revenue, then my cost, then my profit. I'm in this cell right here. Auto sum. I want to add or sum from B5 colon is my range all the way down to B19. That's correct. Check mark. Drag that pattern across. Quickly double check it. Looks good. Let's do some formatting here. Highlight all my numbers. This time I'm going to go, well, I can either go with accounting or currency format. I'm going to go with accounting. Now we're going to get into our data validation. First step for our data validation is we're going to highlight the range where that data validation is going to occur. So I'm going to highlight from E5 to E19. Once again, it's from E5 to E19. That's where we want our data validation. How you get that? Click on Data, the Data tab. Come over and we're going to click on Data Validation. Right here. So once again, if you're hovering over something, it'll tell you. Data validation. Click on data validation. Settings. We're going to allow, right now it's saying any value. We want to change that to a list. We want to make sure that we have these check marked here. But what my source is going to be and what my list is based upon is open. So I'm going to type in open, comma, close. We want an input message. Use drop-down menu, or please use drop-down menu. Your error message or error alert is right here. Do again using the drop-down menu. Click OK. If you click in any cell here now, here's our message, and here's our options. Everything is going to be open. I'm just going to do 3 of them. That's fine. Thank you.